Solubility curves are made up of the mass of solute that will dissolve in 100 grams of water. You take the data, the solubility of a substance, and put it on a graph. If the plot is on the line, then it's saturated. If the plot is below the line, then it's unsaturated. If the plot is above the line, then it's supersaturated. Solubility curves can also help determine the mass of a substance that can dissolve in 100 grams of water. Solubility is a chemical property referring to the ability of a solute to dissolve in a given substance. It can also determine the least or most soluble substance. Here's a video of an experiment that my teacher had done on this topic.
Today, class, you'll be observing what goes on in this experiment and how we use the data collected to create a solubility curve. To do so, all we'll need is a pot with some water in it, which there already is, and some salt in our stove. So, we'll be placing the salt in different temperatures of water and recording to see how fast the salt dissolves at the different temperatures. So we'll go ahead and bring our water to a boil. So it's now bubbling rapidly, so we'll turn the stove off. And we're going to pour it into this glass. So we'll be able to see the dissolving of the salt. Go ahead and pour some salt in. And once you don't feel the little salt at the bottom anymore, it is all the way dissolved. It's almost dissolved. Okay, now we'll take the temperature of the water. And then you just repeat that a couple more times so you get more plots to go on the data table and curve.
Hey, that was actually pretty interesting, especially for something having to be learned in school.
Yeah, I know, and your teacher seemed super cool.
paper with solubility. On the top of the paper, you know it's gonna be one of those curves that flips up or down. If the curve goes, then you know it's gonna span. Here's some ways it can be defined. Supersaturated is above the line. Saturated is on the line. And unsaturated is below the line. referring to the ability for a given substance, the solute, to dissolve in a solvent. It is measured in terms of the maximum amount of solute dissolved in a solvent at equilibrium. The resulting solution is called a saturated solution. Solubility curves are made by determining the mass of solute that will dissolve in 100 grams at different temperatures in H2O. Solubility is a chemical property referring to the ability for a substance dissolved a solvent is measured in terms of the maximum mass. The solvent is usually H2O. Then you put the solute in itself. It will dissolve in 100 grams of 100 milliliters of H2O. To make a curve don't really take a lot of work. When you draw it, just make sure your hand don't jerk. Make that curve like an expert. Make that curve like an expert. Solubility curves are made by determining the mass of solute that will dissolve in 100 grams at different temperatures in H2O. The days are plotted on a graph. The substances have different layers on the graph. Each of the systems combined, the solution is saturated, unsaturated, supersaturated, unsaturated, saturated, supersaturated.
I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message.